Meaning of health warning.
Health warning.
Health warning.
Health warning.
Health warning. A health warning is a message or signal that alerts someone to potential health risks or hazards associated with a product, activity, or environment. Health warnings are commonly found on food packaging, cigarette cartons, and in other public places where hazards may exist. These warnings are typically designed to help people make informed decisions about their health and safety, and to encourage them to take appropriate precautions if necessary. It is important to pay attention to health warnings and to follow any instructions or guidelines provided in order to minimize any potential risks or harm to oneself or others.